Welcome back. This is Brian with Super Tech Services. Today we got a special video for you guys. We're going to show you how to remove a jam, every possible jam, on a Bizhub 601 751. Stay tuned. Okay, first things first, we're going to start off with the top feeder here. This is where your paper's fed. This gray handle will be all you'll need to pull back, and your paper should be right along here. The second place it may be is right underneath. You can actually move this spring-loaded panel back and grab any papers out this way. Just be sure not to rip your paper. Okay, the second most common spot that you want to check first is right here on the side door. Same thing, gray handle. Any paper that's here, go ahead and just grab it. But if you have a paper that's lodged up in this section here, do not remove it. I'll show you how to get to that in a minute. Alright, next I'm going to show you the main section of the copier. This is where most likely all your jams will occur. Okay, as you can see, you have all these greenish turquoise handles. All of these handles have arrows on them. Before this handle will allow you to slide the ADU section out, you'll need to advance any paper that's stuck in between the finisher and the main body or the side door and the main body. You do that by turning it about 4 times in the direction that the arrow shows. Once that occurs, you'll hear a clicking noise, and this will allow you to drop this handle here. Then the ADU section. Okay, so the ADU has a couple sections here, also labeled with green handles, that you can lift up or pull down, turn. But over in this section here is the fusing unit. Watch out, this section is very hot. But you can lift up this turquoise handle if there's a paper jam here and grab it out as well. And also this section here, M8. Once that's done, put the ADU section back up, lift up the handle M4, and close the doors. Okay, so the next section we have here are the paper trays. Tray 1, 2, 3, and 4. All you have to do is slide out the tray, check for any paper, grab your paper all the way out, check the bottom of it to make sure there isn't any creases. That can cause jams in the paper trays. There is a hidden section above tray 2 only, which slides out right here. And you would just lift open the turquoise handle, grab the paper out, and close it. Always check that section there. Tray 3 and tray 4, these trays are universal, but same thing. Just grab the paper out and make sure that there isn't no creases at the bottom. Lift this section up and check to make sure there isn't any paper there. If there is, just pull it out backwards. And that's it for the paper trays. Okay, and the last section here is the finisher. Go ahead and just slide the door open. And same thing, you'll have green label handles that you can move. This one, FN2, is the most common. The jam, it should pull this down and actually lift up and grab the paper out. Also, the stacker section, you'll slide this out and you'll grab any paper that's caught in there, as well as FN5 here, which is a clear handle. This comes down and you can grab paper right out of there. This section here only deals with stapling. This section up here is hole punching. If you're not doing either of those, the paper just gets fed straight out. Also, this section here is for the hole punches if you want to empty those out. And that's the finisher. Alright, and that's our video on how to remove jams on a Bizhub 601 751. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. If you need anything, you guys know where to find us. Peace.